You know, when we're out camping, even though our tribe trailer has quite a bit of storage on it, storage is always a premium. No matter what you do, if you can save space, it's a win. And I want to show you a new cookware set that we got that solves a lot of our kitchenware storage needs. This is the Gerber ComplEAT cookware set. It's a 16-piece set that's got a really cool feature built in. Now, Katerina added all these little things in here, and it just kind of keeps things from rattling around. But I'm gonna pull it all apart. I'll give you a link to these in the description. They're available on Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. But let's talk about the cookware set itself, okay? And it surprisingly all fits in here. So we've got a nice lid. It's got a strainer top on it. Here's the other lid, also strainer top on it. We got a handle. We'll get to this in a little bit. We got 4 bowls, great for cereal, salads, chili, soups, all kinds of good stuff. You get 4 of these. You get a nice big mixing bowl for mixing your salads or for chips or whatever you need to put in here. So that's really nice and handy. Then we have 4 plates, and I like these. They've got a textured surface on the bottom. They're nice and strong, you know, very clean. And this edge, you know, when you're sitting in a camp chair and, you know, your legs are moving around, stuff's not just gonna fall right off. So I love these plates. And then we have a big pot, and this thing is nice. A big, solid bottom on here, helps to distribute the heat and keep the heat in, so things cook really well in here. And then in the bottom here, we have a little hot pad. So you pull something off, you want to put it on something plastic or wood, you got a nice little pad there. And last but not least, we have the skillet. And this is kind of where the handle comes in. It just attaches to it, nice and secure, not gonna come off. Got a coated handle on here. This thing is super, super sweet. Let's see if I have enough room here for everything. Now, the fact that all of this fits into this bag is super cool. Oh, I want to mention on the skillet itself, also nice, big, thick bottom on here to help with the distribution of heat and make sure everything cooks evenly. But in the bottom, in the bag here, you have a diagram that shows how to put it all back together. That's specifically designed for people like me who get a kit like this and then can never figure out how to put it all back together. Now it's all nice and clean here, but we're gonna do some cooking in a little bit and see how well these things work. But as far as a kit goes, I am very impressed with just how well made these things are. The metal that they use is really nice. The finish is great on them. And the versatility is fantastic. That's all good full-size stuff, which I really like. There's nothing skimping on here at all in terms of size. And on our new stove on here, everything's gonna fit really, really nice. Now, something that's really cool on here is you have measurement markings. You have milliliters and cups. So if you need to mix something, some pre-prepared thing, that's gonna work really well. I believe it's also on here as well. Yep, 10 cups, 2.5 liters. So if you're trying to cook, you got some measurements built into this. That's really cool. They've really thought of a lot of stuff. Now the bowls and the plates and things are microwave safe. We don't have a microwave out here. So, but if you want to go ahead and use them at home, then everything is microwave safe. They're dishwasher safe as well. The whole kit does come with a limited lifetime warranty. So that's, I mean, for cookware set, that's pretty good. But if you don't want to spend, $200 on a cookware set just to toss it in a milk crate in the back of your rig and let everything get all dinged up, I think this is a great solution. Somewhere in here, I'm not going to pull it out right now, we have a non-stick pan. And the fact that it's been sitting in here for some time now, it's got dinged up. There's flaking in the non-stick stuff. So it's non-usable anymore, where this stuff doesn't have those coatings. It's stainless steel. So you need to know how to cook on something like this versus a non-stick type pan, but a little olive oil, a little butter, something, not going to be a big deal. But now, let's see if we can put it all back together in one shot and see how things go. So I'm going to try and follow the directions in here. I wish there was like a pull out so I could see it, because once I put it in here, I'm kind of done, right? So we got to take the handle off. This goes in here, and I'm going to use Katarina's pot protectors. So everything goes in here really nice and clean. That fits in there nice. Put that guy in there, and then it's the plates, the bowl, the little bowls, and then we have the saute lid and the basting lid. Oh, I think I got it. Look at that. Look at that. I did it, and I didn't have to take a picture first to see how it all went back together. All right, let's go cook something up and enjoy this Gerber ComplEAT cookware set. Check them out. Links in the description below. I think if you're looking for a complete 4-person cookware set with plates and everything, this is a great way to go. Now, when I cooked up these potatoes and sausages, I was a little concerned because a lot of the potato was sticking to the bottom, even though I had some olive oil and butter in there. But when I was done, I put a little bit of water in there, heated it back up, wiped it out, and that pan was as good as new. It cleaned up so nicely. Now, they also have things like utensils and other things. Of course, Gerber's known for their knives. So if you want knife sets, they have those. Oops, forgot to put the handle back in there. I'll figure it out one of these days. But I think this is a great kit. It's going to serve us very well for a long, long time. So check them out. Links below. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there and eat well. We'll see you on the trails. Got my little Gerber spork. That's pretty good. For someone who doesn't do a lot of cooking and being out here by myself, it's not a bad little meal.